Hello, my name is Jason Straub, and I'm going to go over the steps on how to file a disciplinary complaint request at the Indiana State Disciplinary Commission. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to Google, right there, and we're going to type in, let's see, Indiana Disciplinary Commission. So what shows up is this right here, the Disciplinary Commission courts.in.gov. And if you look right here in the lower, first one on the left, this is lawyer misconduct complaint. That right there, that lawyer misconduct complaint, we're going to come over to it. You can see my little hand over here on it. And we're going to click on that right there. And it's going to bring us up to this page. It's going to look like this. And it says complaining about lawyer misconduct. So what we're going to do is we'll scroll down. And when we scroll down, we'll come to this request for investigation form right here. It's 34 kilobytes, one page, fillable format. And we click on it, and it pops up down here in the lower part of the screen. And I just click on it because it's a PDF. And it has different sections. You put in your name, your address, telephone number, and then down here it's the attorney's name, address, and if you employed them or not, it goes right here. If you're complaining about something else, then you don't have to worry about that. Case number, if you employed them. Court, if you had a court case. Attorney fees, if there are any fees. And then down here is where you actually will put your complaint. Now, you can put additional papers on there, print out additional papers, and you fill out the same thing, and it will have page 1, page 2. You can just put page 1, page 2, and fill out as much information as possible. And then you print it off, and all the way down at the bottom, you can see right here your signature, and then the date. And you mail it to this address right here, the Indiana Supreme Court Disciplinary Commission. I wanted to go over that step by step, just so you had that information if you wanted to file against an attorney that you felt misled you, gave you wrong information, and so you had it. I'm not an attorney. There's not really much else I can help you with on this aspect. It's a very simple form. I've done it before when I had an attorney who actually was used drugs, and they took my money and for my child custody case, and they used it on drugs, and then they filed bankruptcy. So when I took them to court and sued them to get the money back, they were protected under the bankruptcy law. So, but the state did take their license and told me that they couldn't get their license back until they paid me back, plus I think it was 8 or 10% compounded yearly, and I've never got the money, and I've checked a few times through, gosh, I guess it's been about 16 years now, 17 years, and they haven't gotten a license here in Indiana. Doesn't mean they didn't move somewhere else. But this form, the request for investigation, that goes to the Indiana Supreme Court Disciplinary Commission can get things rolling. And very simple, you just put your name and address of the attorney, as much information about the other stuff if it applies, and then what happened. And then you sign it, you date it, and you send it back to the Indiana Supreme Court Disciplinary Commission at 251 North Illinois Street, Suite 1650, Indianapolis, Indiana 46204. And if you call and you ask for help, they're probably going to give you about the same information I do, because they're going to say, we're not your attorney. Hire an attorney to help you fill it out, or look at the information on the internet. So, yeah, I know. Again, I'm not an attorney, haven't been to law school. I know about as much as you do about it, and I hope this helps move things along for you. Again, my name's Jason Straw, and I hope you have a great day and this isn't too frustrating for you.